Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a person from a photo in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to delete or erase a person from a picture in a minute, I'll walk you through an AI tool that makes it super simple. Today in this video, I'm going to remove this boy and this dog from this picture. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To remove a person from a photo, first of all, open pickwish.com on your computer or mobile web browser. If you are using this web tool for the first time, please sign up using your email address. After logging in, you will see a screen like this. On this screen, you will find various editing tools. From the left side of the screen, find and click on Photo Editing. Under the Photo Editing section, you will see various options. Find and click on Photo Retouch. Now, a file explorer will open on your screen. From here, find and select the image from which you want to remove a person or object. Once selected, you will see a screen like this. In this video, I am going to remove this boy from the picture. To remove any object from the picture, first select the brush tool from the left side and mark the area you want to delete. Once selected, click the Remove button on the left side of the screen. Look at the picture. The selected boy is no longer visible. Likewise, you can also select and remove this dog from the picture. Once satisfied with your picture, click the Save button at the top right of the screen and select Free Image from the drop-down to download it to your device. Now your picture is downloaded, and you can view it in your Downloads folder.